Let's go. I started playing the acoustic in my S2. That was in high school. The first instrument I started playing was the saxophone. Still when I joined high school. I didn't really have an interest for playing an acoustic guitar in the beginning because I've always had an acoustic guitar back at home. It's about 28 or so years old. 28, 29, or even 30 years old now. I didn't pick interest to learn how to play the acoustic guitar right then. For some reason, I don't understand why. I loved music, yes, but I didn't pick the interest to learn how to play. When I joined high school is when I actively started picking interest in, learning how to play the acoustic. But saxophone started, so I started learning the saxophone. And then in S2 is when I decided to now learn how to play the acoustic guitar. So yeah, that's pretty much where I started learning how to play the acoustic guitar.
You are not here.
Mom tells me when I was born, she said a blessing over me. She said, this fruit of my womb will bear of the voice that I've had. So I started recording demos using BandLab, and I grew into it. I would do a song within a space of 5 hours each and every single day. So that was an exercise I used to grow myself into. So yeah, BandLab was the first I started using, and then progressed to using FL Studio, which I still use until now, even for my production. So yeah. What am I doing with the laptop? This is for audio. BandLab. You want to see? Yeah, it's taking my audio. Yeah, the phone died, so yeah, we're using BandLab on the phone. We're using BandLab on the phone, but yeah, it died, so BandLab on the laptop. That's what we're using for audio. So yeah, here.